Hi, this is Cycle 2, Week 22 Science. We are doing the popsicle stick catapults this week. So in your tutor bin, you will have a popsicle sticks. Everyone gets a spoon and rubber bands. And there will be puff balls in there as well, and some Dixie cups as well. So our purpose is just to build a catapult today, and there is some background on talking about kinetic and potential energies and what that looks like, and talking about in the Middle Ages some different types of catapults that they used, and I will print those different pictures out of the different kinds of catapults that they actually use. So this is a real life thing that they used for war, and they would hurl like 200-pound stones over 300 yards, which is kind of crazy. So what do you know, and then what do you think will happen when you just take popsicle sticks and rubber bands and try and make a catapult? So I have some examples of catapults for kids to look at to get some ideas. They're not going to be able to make all of them because some of them do require glue, but they have rubber bands. But I do have, this is like the simplest catapult to make, and I would recommend for the younger classes that you make that together and they follow you along, and then you guys all just make the same catapult. Now once you're done with your catapult, if you would like to test it, you can test how far it goes, you can test how high it goes, and you can also use, you can make a tower out of Dixie cups, and you can put a puffball on it, and you can fling it at it and see if it will knock it over. It probably won't, but they'll think that it's fun. So you can also bring in, if you really wanted to, heavier stuff to do it. The puffball will not knock this over, most likely, but if you wanted to bring in something else, you could, like a bouncy ball or something. And then the conclusion is just really talking about the kinetic and the potential energy. So the kinetic is the stored, and then when you let it go, it's the potential, or I'm sorry, I said that wrong. The potential energy is right here, and then the kinetic, when it releases, goes out and then bending your popsicle stick. So I think that's it. Thanks.